Zach Kids, Zara and Aria.
All right, where are we going today?
Peppa Pig, Florida house.
Florida, and we're going to the Peppa Pig theme park? All right, let's get ready to go. Let's go to the airport now. All right, so see you later, guys. All right, let's just walk to the terminal. Come on, girls. Let's go.
Sweet!
Where are we going, Aria? We're going to Peppa Pig in Florida. And did you guys just now finish your chocolate chip cookies? You didn't? So you haven't eaten one yet? What is that in your hand? It looks like it's proof of a chocolate chip cookie. Let's go board the plane. Slowly, Aria. No running, okay? Okay. Yes, when we sit down, okay? That is cool, Zara. Do it again. Pop it out. Popping it out. Popping it out. Zara, are you a pilot? Remember in your book, it says you can be a pilot? Do you guys want to be a pilot one day?
Look, this is just
Wow.
like you're learning, right? How do you drive the airplane?
Look at all those buttons.
Wow!
What is that? Look at that big flamingo. You want to go touch his beak? I think it's just a big machine flamingo. You want to touch it? But don't push it too hard, okay? You want to touch how soft he is? He's so soft. You want to touch his feet too? Okay. Go touch his feet. Aria, are you going to do it before Zara? Who's going to be first? Oh, Aria did it first. Yay.
That's nice.
All right, now let's go get our rental car, okay? So we can drive in Tampa. You found it. That is a different leg. He's so big. Whoa. Guys, are we about to enter our Florida room? Let's see what happens. Go ahead. Wow. Are we gonna check out the pool next? Cool. Oh, look, the pool's outside our room. We can see it from over here. Whoa. The pool's over there. You can't see it? Okay, I'll put you guys up, okay? All right, it's pool time. Let's go. Oh. Whoa. Aria, is yours a Moana? Zara, which one is yours? A unicorn? All right, let's hop in the pool, okay? Cool off. Good job, Zara. Good job, Aria. You guys are doing so good. You already know how to swim. You're just swimming? Can you show me how to paddle swim? Oh, you're gonna float backwards? You can do it too, Aria? Oh, Mama's coming in? Mama's coming in! Yay! Aria, who's the special guest in the pool with you?
I love it.
It's a little cold, huh?
Is that Mama? Whoa, you let go? All right, now try it. Go.
I couldn't.
You couldn't do it? Get it. All right, you got it. All right, now do the trick. I think Aria's doing it over here too. Yeah. In from there. Whoa. You want to do it too, Aria? All right. You have to get out first, and then you can go do it, okay? You're gonna do it too? Okay. All right. Zara, watch. Aria's about to do it. So we're not even using the steps. We're just going in from the high area, right, Aria? Okay, 3, 2, 1, go! That was so good, Aria. Now.
Thank you for watching That Kids. We'll see you tomorrow at Peppa Pig.
Yeah. All right. Thanks, guys.